Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day today.
It really is, Paul. The sun is shining, and I am feeling full of energy. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little tired, but happy.
A little tired. Why is that?
Well, I was working late last night.
Ah, work. That is something we all know about. Work can make us very tired.
Yes, it can, but I like my work, so it is okay.
That is good to hear. And actually, Paul, that is our topic for today.
Oh? Our topic is being tired?
No, not being tired. Our topic is talking about your job.
Ah, talking about work. That is a very important topic.
Yes, it is one of the first things people ask when they meet you. What do you do?
Exactly. It is a very common conversation. But sometimes it can be hard to explain your job in English.
That is true. So today, we will make it easy. We will learn the words and phrases you need to talk about your job with confidence.
I like the sound of that. Confidence is key.
It is. But wait, Paul, before we start our work, we have a small job for our listeners.
Yes, we do. A very easy job.
Please take a moment to click the like button on this episode. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. Join our community of English learners.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends. Maybe your colleagues at work want to learn English too.
That is a great idea. Share it at the office. Okay, Emily, I am ready. Let's talk about jobs.
Let's do it. So, Paul, imagine we are at a party. We meet for the first time.
Okay, I am at a party. I have a drink in my hand. Hello, I am Paul.
Hello, Paul. Nice to meet you. So, what do you do?
That is the magic question. What do you do?
Yes. Listeners, notice that I did not say, what is your job? I said, what do you do?
Yes, what do you do is the most natural way to ask. It means, what is your profession?
Exactly. So, Paul, what do you do?
Well, Emily, I am a podcast host, and I am a teacher.
I know. And you are a very good teacher.
Thank you. And what about you? What do you do?
I am a podcast host too, and I am also a writer.
Ah, a writer. That sounds very interesting.
It is. I write stories and articles. So, for our listeners, the structure is very simple. I am a plus your job.
I am a doctor. I am a driver. I am a student.
Perfect. But Paul, sometimes people get confused with the little words like in or at or for.
Oh, yes, the prepositions. They are tricky.
They can be, but let's look at them. If you want to say the place where you work, you can use in.
In. Okay, so I work in a school.
Yes. Or I work in an office.
I work in a hospital. I work in a restaurant.
Exactly. It describes the building or the room.
Okay, what about at?
At is also used for places. It is very similar. I work at a bank. I work at the airport.
So, in and at are very close.
Yes, usually both are okay. But here is a special one. For.
For. I work for.
You use for when you talk about the company name.
Ah, I see. So, I work for Google.
Yes, or I work for Amazon, or I work for Mr. English Channel.
I work for the best channel on the internet.
Correct. So you can say, I am a manager. I work in an office. I work for a big company.
That is a very good full answer. It gives a lot of information.
Yes, it is much better than just saying one word.
Okay, I have a question. What if I don't have a job right now?
That is a very good question, Paul.
Maybe I'm looking for a job. What do I say?
You can say, I am looking for a job, or I am between jobs.
Between jobs. That sounds very polite.
It is. It means you finished one job and you are looking for the next one.
And what if I am a student? Or if I stay home with my children?
Then you say, I am a student, or I am a stay-at-home mom, or stay-at-home dad.
Stay-at-home dad. That is a very important job, too.
The most important job.
Yes. Okay, so we know how to say our job title and where we work.
Now, let's talk about describing the job. Is it good? Is it bad?
Adjectives. I love adjectives.
Me too. They add color to your English. Paul, tell me about an old job you had before you were a teacher.
Let me think. Long ago, I was a waiter.
A waiter in a restaurant?
Yes, in a busy pizza restaurant.
Oh, wow. Did you like it?
Well, the pizza was delicious,
That is a benefit.
but the job, it was tiring.
Tiring. That is a good word. It means it makes you tired.
Yes, I walked and walked all day. My feet hurt. It was very tiring.
I can imagine. Was it difficult?
It was not difficult, but it was stressful.
Stressful. Listeners, stressful means you feel stress. Maybe too many things are happening at the same time.
Yes, the customers were hungry. Where is my pizza? I want water. This is cold. It was very stressful.
Oh, poor Paul. So being a waiter can be tiring and stressful.
Yes, but it was also fun
Fun? Why?
because of my colleagues.
Ah, colleagues. That is a great word. Colleagues are the people you work with.
Yes, my coworkers. My colleagues were very funny. We laughed a lot in the kitchen.
That is important. Good colleagues make a job much better.
They really do. So, Emily, what about you? Tell me about an old job you had before you were a teacher.
When I was younger, I worked in a shop, a clothing store.
Oh, did you like it?
It was okay. It was very easy.
Easy is good.
Sometimes, but sometimes it was boring
Boring. Why?
because sometimes there were no customers. I just stood there. I looked at the clothes. I looked at the clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
That does sound boring. Time goes very slowly when you are bored.
Yes, so boring is a useful word if you don't like your job. But hopefully, our listeners have jobs that are interesting.
Yes, interesting is the opposite of boring.
Or exciting.
Or creative, like an artist or a designer.
Yes, so we have tiring, stressful, boring, and fun, interesting, creative.
Those are great words to use.
Now, Paul, let's talk about time.
Time? You mean, what time is it?
No, I mean your work schedule. How many hours do you work?
Ah, I see. Well, most people work full-time.
Full time. What does that mean?
Usually it means about 40 hours a week. You work every day, from Monday to Friday.
Yes, the classic 9 to 5 job.
Exactly. You start at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m.
But some people work part-time.
Part-time. That means you work fewer hours, maybe only 3 days a week, or only in the mornings.
Yes, students often work part-time.
And I worked part-time when I was a waiter.
There is another word we hear a lot now. Remote.
Ooh, remote, or working from home.
Yes. Since the pandemic, many people work from home. They don't go to the office.
That is very comfortable. You can work in your pajamas.
Yes, but you still have to work.
True. So you can say, I work remotely or I work from home.
Precisely. It is a very modern way to work.
Emily, I have a fun question for you.
I like fun questions.
What is your dream job?
My dream job. That is a fun question.
A dream job is the job you would love to have if you could do anything.
Well, I really love my job now. I love talking to you and our listeners.
Oh, me too. But imagine something crazy.
Okay. If I could be anything, I think I would be a travel writer.
A travel writer. Wow.
Yes, I would travel to beautiful countries, eat delicious food, and write stories about it.
That sounds amazing. No office, just the world.
Yes. What about you, Paul? What is your dream job?
I think I would like to be a pilot.
A pilot? Flying airplanes?
Yes, I love to fly. I want to see the clouds from above and say, "Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking."
You have a very good pilot voice, Paul.
Thank you. But I think being a teacher is safer.
Probably. Talking about dream jobs is a great way to practice English with friends.
It is. You can ask, "What is your dream job?" It starts a fun conversation.
Definitely. Okay, Paul, let's review what we learned today. It was a lot.
Yes, we learned how to answer, "What do you do?"
I am a teacher. I am a doctor.
We learned prepositions. I work in an office. I work for a company.
We learned adjectives. My job is busy. My job is interesting. My job is tiring.
And we learned about schedules, full-time, part-time, and remote.
You see, it is not so scary. You just need these simple pieces.
I feel much more confident now. I can tell everyone about my job.
That is the goal. And remember, keep it simple. Short sentences are perfect.
I like my job. I work in the city. Simple and clear.
Exactly. Paul, look at the time. We have to go to our next meeting.
Oh no, the boss is waiting.
Just kidding. We are the bosses.
That is the best part of this job.
It really is. Well, talking about work was actually fun today.
It was. I hope our listeners found it helpful too.
I am sure they did. But before we say goodbye, we want to hear from you.
Yes, we have a question for the comments section.
Please tell us, what do you do?
Yes, write a sentence in the comments. I am a, I work at.
Or tell us your dream job. We want to know.
Are you a secret pilot or a travel writer? Tell us.
We read all your comments. It is great practice for you.
And please, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up and share this with your friends.
It helps us to keep making these episodes for you.
Thank you so much for listening today. Don't work too hard.
Yes, relax and have a great day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you next time.